What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a little bit vlog. So it is currently 9 a.m. and I have a spin class at 9:30, and so I'm just headed there. It is an exciting day for me, and you will find out why in just a minute. Okay, so I did get back from SpinCo and I showered and I'm getting ready for an appointment. So it is currently 10:40. My appointment is at 11. So this was very badly timed. Hopefully I'll make this on time. But for now, I'm just making a coffee and then I'm gonna head out. I said today was gonna be a big day for me, and I'm just trying to find some light in here. Okay, so I said today was gonna be a big day for me, and it is because I am getting a new car today, and I am so happy. It's crazy. I went into Portland Street Honda yesterday to finalize everything, and so I'm getting the new one this afternoon. So I'm excited, and that is what we're gonna be doing for most of the day. Just gonna clean all the garbage out of my car, so we're gonna see what I find in there. What I found in my car, I got a whole bunch of shoes. I think there were like 3 heels and 1 pair of boots. I have my coffee cup and a vacuum. Some stationery supplies in here, glue, scissors, a lot of paper. So now I have to just drag my all-season tires into my Elantra, and then I'm going to pick up a friend and we're going to the dealership. We're gonna get a new car today in about maybe the next hour, hopefully. So we'll see you there. Okay, it is 2:37. I was supposed to be at the dealership at 2:40, so that is not happening exactly as planned. So I hope that I still get my car, but yeah, I am just here picking up a friend, and she's gonna go with me to the dealership, and then we're gonna get my new car. So I am excited. Just got off the phone with insurance, and I'm all insured. I'm gonna get a new car soon. So excited. But we'll see you later. Can I see my hand yet? Bye. Yeah, it is. Okay, so we are here at Honda, Portland Street Honda. So if you're looking for a car, just drive by here. And just gonna get some final paperwork done, and they just took my car away, I think. So it's gone. We're done. Bye bye, Elantra. Not gonna miss ya. We just had a demo about everything in the car. It was a lot. And it is definitely more than my Elantra, so it's gonna take a little second to learn everything, but looking good so far. can see, I hope, I can see the finish line, trying to drive out of here, get some food, super hungry. Yeah. We're just waiting on Mackenzie now.
Alright. You need to sign this for me.
Okay.
Just a quality delivery checklist. This is everything that Honda wants me to go over with you when you picked up your new car. Basically, the whole process that we just completed.
Okay. Thank you.
So, your new car is ready. So you're ready to hop into your new car and go?
Yes,
I can help you carry it.
Thank you. That's yours?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Winter tires equipped on the vehicle. Manuals in the glove box. We're all set to go.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you so
Welcome.
much.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Everything good? Happy?
Yes.
Good.
Okay.
Guys, this is my new car. Okay. I am excited. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It says sold. And it says sold to Neha. Oh, oh my god. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay. I've got to put some lemons under the tires. Because, you know, superstitious. Gotta listen to my mom. And yeah, then we're out of here. We're out of here in a new Honda. Okay, so we got our lemons under all 4 tires. So there it is. A little bit of freshness for the first drive. Just drove it for the first time. I'm so happy. This is literally the best decision I've made in a long time. So I did go to Portland Street Honda yesterday, and then I to sort of like look at the car, and I very quickly finalized it. So I guess I really wanted to get a new car as fast as I could. They were really friendly. They helped me out, and like in terms of like price and stuff, because I'm still a student and like I didn't want to spend too much on getting a car, but I also knew that I'd have to spend more than what I was like currently spending. But it is so good. Oh my gosh, I'm like loving every little bit of it. There's a lot of technology that I am not used to having in my old car, so it is going to take a little bit of learning, but I think I can do that pretty quickly. So yeah, I am happy in my Honda. It's official. Like, I think this is as Canadian as it gets. Like, you have to get a Honda Civic if you're in Canada and looking for a car. So yeah, we will see you in a little bit. See you later. Hi guys, so it is currently the next day. I got home around like, I'm gonna say like 6:30 or so. I just got like food and just ate and went to sleep. I was super exhausted. I think it was kind of like one of those things where I was excited, and so I had like so much energy during like the first few hours of the day that at night I just really just crashed and just went to sleep super early. But yeah, it was a good experience with them. And so if you're looking for something, and you know, in Canada Hondas are pretty reliable, it's good for the weather and all of that whatever stuff, at least that's what they've told me. It's only my first day actually with it, so yeah, if you're looking for something, and I would definitely say that visiting them is worth your time. even if you don't walk out of there with a car, at least you know your options and you clearly understand them. I went to a few other dealerships and I feel like I didn't get as good of explanations for each part of the process as I did over there. So yeah, I am happy, and thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next one next week. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you later.